nice. I can't wait for the fencing and for the asphalt to come in next week. It's a little cold because it's around 32 degrees. The wind, I think they call it the wind chill is I think 9. So next week, as soon as it gets a little warmer, the fence and the asphalt. Oh. Ready? So check it out. We got the countertops in. All the faucets are here. All my vanities are in. All my faucets are in all the bathrooms. We finished painting. We went strong in the last 2 weeks. We got all the moldings in, all the painting in, all the flooring in, all the electrical, all the light fixtures. We're done. Check out the original video when we first started, and then check this out now that we finished. And once we finish cleaning up, we're gonna show you the video, how nice the bathrooms look and how nice all the flooring looks. But you tell me what you think. Tell me if you want to learn how to do this. Tell me if you want to build your own house. Call us because we're the best.